everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tara. Welcome. Make sure my shirt is nice. Okay, so it is the 14th today, and I've decided every 14th of the month, even though it's Valentine's Day today. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I'm doing a either a Vera Bradley or a Kipling video. That way I'll get to use, at least for that one day of the month, some of my other pieces besides my Dooneys. So every 14th from here on from here on
From here on.
from here on every 14th, mark it on your calendars. I will be showing you guys a Kipling or a Vera Bradley. Now, it's not always going to be a unboxing, like today's is an unboxing, which I'm so happy this actually came today, right on Valentine's Day. And I did order it so I can use it for Valentine's Day, so I'm really happy that it made it. I just put out my daily because I was in my beautiful robe right here, Vera Bradley. So that video should be up as well today. I think that loaded already. So depending on how fast it loads on my internet here, guys, I don't know what video comes up first. So I mean, sometimes the videos will be not of that day for my dailies. It just takes a day or two for it to load. So but it is for the same month, because I am doing this whole month of my dailies where I get dressed and I use one of my bags on display. So that video should be up, and this video hopefully will make it up for still on Valentine's Day. I'm hoping it's going to be in my scheduled time of the 14th. So every 14th, guys, if you want to see Vera Bradley or Kipling, come on by. Make sure you're subscribed, and for my regulars who have been here from the beginning, and to my new subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you. That's the way you guys can show that you appreciate someone's work and you like their content, and that's how you can support us for a YouTuber that you like. Be sure you're subscribed, and then a like, a heart, a comment. That always helps. Something as small as like you liking it does help my channel. So thank you and welcome for all the new people.
I've heard an interesting rumor that every time you say the word subscribe, and if you are subscribed, the button lights up. So go back a couple of seconds and see if it turned on.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Did it work?
I don't know. I've heard that they're going to add that up. I mean, it might only be on desktop, but I don't know. I've heard that's a thing.
So that must, because YouTube is constantly changing.
Yeah.
Everything's changing. So, you want to be current and you want to help your YouTubers that you enjoy. So please hit that like, leave me a comment, something.
Your comments are funny. You guys are great.
Thank you. I love my comments. I personally do check every single one unless my son gets to it first.
Sometimes I get to it first.
Most of the time it is me who's commenting back. Sometimes it's my son who sees if I've missed the comment. So if I don't comment within that 24 hours, that means I missed it or YouTube didn't give me the notification, and then my son will comment. But most of the time it is me. I appreciate all the comments. Thank you. Thank you. So this week, for the 14th, I have this unboxing. I found this on eBay. I've never seen this. And for this 14th, by Vera Bradley, I have my friend Didi Bean, who is also going to be collabing with me for this video. So go check her out. She does have a new growing collection of Vera Bradleys and Kiplings. I think she was going to do also a Vera Bradley. So go check her out, guys, and show her some love. And I will tag her on the bottom. It's Miss Didi Bean, guys. She's a new channel. I love her. She's really fun to work with. We do a lot of collabs together, so go and check her out. So, what did I get? Now, my Vera Bradley collection has been growing really fast because I did do a Vera Bradley month. I want to say, was it December or November? So I did get a lot of new pieces.
I think you did it.
I got a lot of new pieces, and so I kind of slowed down on purchasing. But when I saw this, oh, look how nice they did the packaging. So when I saw this, I've never seen this. I've never seen it shown. So I had to get it, of course. I always look for that rare item. I always look for those pieces that I've never seen. So I hope you like it. I hope I say the name correctly. You guys know I always butcher the name. Oh, look at that. Look, they put in this cute little card. I wonder if it's someone who is here on my channel. Did I buy this from you? Are you one of my fellow YouTubers and I didn't know? But okay, so it's a couple of pieces. That's what I look for when I'm buying on eBay. I look for a lot. Something that's new with tag or like new with tag. Always make sure that you are checking, you are reading all the description, everything, guys. Look at this. This is so cute. Thank you. Oh, that shows. I'll keep this in my journal. Of course, you guys know I like to keep stuff for my journal. Over here, I have my Vera Bradley red teddy bear for the month. You guys know I collect also animals and stuffed toys and anything that goes with the brands I like to collect. Like I have my ducks here, my beautiful duck. Did you guys see this duck video? I hauled this from Hobby Lobby, guys. I have two. Look at him, adorable. And then of course I have my Kipling monkeys here.
I believe you even said in earlier videos, you were like, they never have any ducks there.
No, because I've been to Hobby Lobby many times.
They heard, yeah.
And once me and my dad actually went looking for ducks. Like, we were like, of course they're going to have ducks because they have a lot of categories in Hobby Lobby. We looked in that whole store and not one duck picture, not one duck anything. They had one broken duck in their cowboy and western theme aisle and it was broken. It was a small one like this. I was like, no, I'm not going to get it. But this time when I went, I wasn't even looking. I just went for fun and they were there. So if you want one of these big guys, it is at Hobby Lobby, guys. Go check it out because I know once they're gone, I don't know if they'll be back.
Yeah, they might not come back.
So it says, hello. Thank you very much for your purchase, for shopping my eBay store. Hope you like your, so this is a houndstooth tweed. That's what I ordered. Items. It's one of my favorite Vera Bradley yarns. Best wishes. Her name, okay. And wow, I love it. This is so nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you're on here, write me something on the bottom. So again, this is a rare piece I don't have. I'm so excited. And it is a set. I've never seen it in person. Look how nice it was packaged, guys, with the card. Everything well taken care of. 3 pieces. This. Ooh, okay. I think that's it. Yeah, very nice. I'm going to leave her really good feedback. So this is the bag. Okay, I'm just trying to touch it. Oh, it's okay. So it does feel like the other ones I have. Okay, I thought maybe it was like different feeling, but no, it's the same. Look at that. Yeah, this was my idea for Valentine's. My Valentine's purchase. As you can see, it's brand new, guys. Oh wow, that is so beautiful. Look at the inside. Can you guys see that? Wow, that is beautiful. It's all roses.
Oh, it's patterned on the inside. That's I can see that from here.
Okay, so this handy pocket holds your charger pocket, threads your charger cable through the garment. Really? I've never seen that before. Oh wow, there's a hole in here. Okay, that's new. I don't know if I'm able to show it. Should I come closer? How about see if you can bring that video closer? That's
Hang on, guys. We're going in.
We're going in. Coming forward. Look at that. Has anyone ever seen that before? I've never seen. Is this a new piece or a retired piece? I don't know. So it says it has a pocket for charging. Okay. But look at the inside of this. This is beautiful. Okay, let me see, where's the tag? Okay, here's the tag. It was new with tag. So this is a, what's that say? Hadley Satchel.
Yeah.
Hadley Satchel. Ooh, my eyes are like, okay. It says Hound's Tooth Tweed. So that's what it's called.
Ooh,
Hound's Tooth Tweed.
That's a hard one to say. Can I see?
Make sure it's correct.
Yeah.
Is it correct?
No, I think you're saying it right. Just that's if it is, that's just a really mean way to.
That's really.
Yeah, it's houndstooth tweed.
Okay, so that is beautiful. Look, let me stuff it up, guys. But I've never seen. I'm gonna have to figure out how to work that, but that whole area for the charger. I've never seen that. Where does it go? Okay, I'll have to figure that out. Let's stuff some so we can get a good look at it. Okay, so it is handles like this. Look at how cute it has, like these bows on it. Isn't this perfect for Valentine's Day? I think I'm gonna move into it immediately because my family is taking me out for Valentine's Day. Look at this. It's beautiful. Like, I hope it's doing justice. Is the video doing it justice?
Yeah, it is doing a good job.
Okay. And it has these browns, guys. Look at the brown. It has these beautiful ribbon style. 2 handles. And it does have also a crossbody or a shoulder strap, and you can remove the straps if you like. Adjustable. This is the cutest bag ever. I've never seen anything like this. Have you? Let me know. Is this something new too for you, my regular Vera Bradley lovers? Have you ever seen this? And I got this at such an amazing price. I mean, I was shocked that she gave it to me. But I did order other things from her. I think that's why. I have another special item I ordered from her to accompany an item I already had bought during my Vera Bradley month. I haven't showed you guys yet, but I'll give you a hint. If you guys love me some peanuts, I'll be back for that one, okay? So Robert, fix the video so we can look. Okay, move it a little that way. See, it's good to have a helper. Perfect. Okay. So this is the bag, guys. How cute. This came with a scarf. You know I'm going to wear it. Maybe I'll do another daily when I move into this properly for you guys. And I will do another video wearing this as well. Look at this scarf. This is beautiful. Very, very pretty. Brand new with tags, and I paid such a low price. You can't imagine what I paid. If I could figure out individually what, because like I said, I bought other things with it. So look at that. My total was for all of it. But it was not more than $50. I'm going to tell you that much for all 3 pieces. The satchel. Oh, I can't get over how beautiful this is. And even the wallet, brand new with tags. I mean, what a deal, right? I couldn't believe it. I just love it. And then this one's wallet. Does that have a name on there? It says Jen Zip ID. Again, Houndstooth Tweed. That is the name. Okay. I like to get a matching wallet or accessory when I get a piece, just so I don't have to go looking for it later on. Look at that. Everything is brand new. Let me see. Got some kind of a charm on there.
Yeah, I believe it's a key ring.
It's a key ring.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at this. With the Vera Bradley bow, of course, on this side. Zipper pocket. This is so cute. And the zipper pocket has 2 areas. So this one here where the ID will show. And then the inner pocket. And then the flap. Can you guys see the roses on the inside? I wish the outside was like that. That is a beautiful print. Beautiful print, Vera Bradley. do that as an actual print because I would buy it. That is so pretty.
It reminds me a little bit of like, I don't know if it's intentional, but it reminds me of Thing. You know, Beauty and the Beast is rose. Like it looks like that kind of
that's
rose design.
True.
Is that what it could
That's
be?
true. Wow. It does look like that. Oh. Again, this is unbelievably beautiful. So yeah, guys, this is my Vera Bradley of the month. Of course, I'm gonna do some other Vera Bradleys. Maybe I can move into it and do a what's in my bag on this one, since I am in my rogue right now. So yeah, maybe I'll do that. I'll do a what's in my bag on this one. So I'm gonna move into it immediately. Well, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed. Again, if you are new here, I am Tara. Welcome. I normally do all kinds of bag videos on my channel here. I have done makeup in the past too. I have some makeup still on my playlist if you want to go watch. I'm not usually one to promote makeup, but I just like the way makeup changes your look. So my videos are a little different than what you're used to. I don't really talk and do makeup slowly. Mine is like a fast makeup and then you see the after. But you can go watch if you enjoy the makeup ones. I do have maybe one or two where I'm doing it slowly just to show and chit chat.
I mean, if you really want to watch her do it in real time, you can just slow the video down.
You can slow the video down currently. Yeah, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you can go to the little thing and
slow them down?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me show you how this looks on. Let's see. Look at this scarf. Are you guys loving this scarf? Lightweight. Beautiful. You can see the ching look on it. It does look knitted, but it's not. It doesn't have knit. It's just fabric. Look at that. How beautiful. I love it. Yeah, I think I'm going to move into it. I will do a what's in my bag on this next, okay? So you guys can see it. Look at this. Yes. Let me, while I'm up here, let me show you the inside one more time so you can see the beautiful stitching. Look at that fabric. It's gorgeous. I can't believe it's made it for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. And if you don't have someone to share your Valentine's with, don't worry.
We love you.
We love you. Buy yourself some roses, guys.
Buy yourself a
Why
chocolate
not?
from us.
Some chocolate. You don't need someone there to buy it for you. I always buy myself flowers. So I hope you enjoyed. This was my Vera Bradley for the 14th. Thank you so much for stopping by. And beautiful, right? I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Happy Valentine's. Bye.
Quick little thing to say, we just found something out.
So I was examining it on how we do that charging part in the inside. See right there? Apparently, I didn't even notice this. It has pockets here on the side. So this pocket here has the cord area. So you would put, see it? So you put it through here. That makes sense. I didn't even notice. Is there another one on this side? So no, that's one. The one pocket is on the other side. Perfect. Yeah, I love it. I'm loving this bag. Loving it. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.